Assalamu alaikum. How it will be if you can control the lights and fans in your living room with the help of Wi-Fi from your smartphone. Today we will see how to create such a project. I will provide the code, connection diagram and component list so that if you follow the video you will also be able to make this project by yourself. But before watching the video, I request you all to subscribe my channel, and if you already done it, then thanks. To make this project, at first we need a ESP8266 Nodemcu board. I will use this 2 mini breadboard to connect the Nodemcu properly. To switch the AC load, we need a 2-channel relay module, but I don't have any 2-channel relay module, so that I am using this 4-channel relay module at this time. To switch the relay module properly, we will need 2 BC547 transistors. I will use this LM2596 step down module to get proper 5 volt because I have a 12 volt power adapter and I will use it. So that I am using this LM2596 step down module to get 5 volt from my 12 volt power adapter. To give the connection between all of the module, we will need some jumper wire. To represent the AC load here, I am using 2 colorful AC bulbs. Before giving connection, we need to upload the code to our Nodemcu board. For that, I am connecting the Nodemcu with my computer using USB cable. We need to download this zip file. I have provided the download link in my video description. After downloading, unzip or extract it. After extracting, we will get a program file and the connection diagram. Open the program file in Arduino IDE. Now we will upload this program to our Nodemcu board. Before uploading, go to the board section, select the proper port, select the board as Nodemcu 1.0 and click on OK. We need to make a little bit change in our code. Here, write down your Wi-Fi network name, where your Nodemcu will be connected, and write down the password of your Wi-Fi. Now click on upload button. The code will be uploaded to our Nodemcu board. Wait a few seconds. After uploading, open the serial monitor and set the baud rate as 1,15,200. The serial monitor showing us that our Nodemcu is connected to Wi-Fi and got this IP address. If we enter this address in our browser, we will get the controlling interface. We will discuss about it further. Okay, now it's time to connect all the components. We will follow this diagram to give the connection. Okay, our all connection is complete. Now we will power the project. Let's test the project. At first we need to find out the IP address of our web server created by Nodemcu. We can easily get it from our router admin panel. Now enter the IP address in your browser. So that we will enter into the web server of Nodemcu. Now we can easily control our load from here. So viewers, I hope all of you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, feel free to comment. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.